In this video, I would like to show you all the features of Google Translate. In Google, type in Google Translate and click on the first option. So most of us know if you just type a word in, you can translate text. You also can hear the word being spoken. There are many languages to choose from. But did you know that you can also upload images and documents to Google Translate? Let me show you how. If you click on images, you browse your computer. You upload your image, and then you can choose whichever language you would like the text on the image translated to. You can copy the text or download translation. The same is true for a document. Choose a document from your browser, choose a language, click Translate. Download your translation. Now your document will be translated. Finally, if you go to any web address and copy it, you can paste it into the website section of Google Translate. Again, choose any language that you need, and your website will be translated. If you need to go back to English, on the top right-hand corner in translation, you can just click on Original. That is a quick, simple tutorial on how you can use Google Translate more efficiently.